Hello friends and welcome to a new video. My name is Nikon and every week on this channel I talk about filmmaking, video production, acting and how to be more productive, more consistent and more efficient making videos for YouTube, but not only. Today I'm going to share with you a very cool feature on how to add text on the screen or animate text on the screen in DaVinci Resolve 18. So let's get straight into it, shall we? Right, once you are in the computer, choose the clip you want to add the text or to animate the text to. So it's very simple. Right, so now we'll have to add the text. If you don't see the text, just go to effects over here, toggle this on, effects should be on, get the text. Let's get the text plus. This is a very nice shot of Scaligera Castle in Italy. So this is what we're gonna add. We're gonna add the text Scaligera Castle, right. Scaligera Castle, and we're gonna put here Italy, right? Something like that. And then you can obviously change the text over here. I mean, change the text to whatever you prefer. Oh, this looks good. I love this one. Scaligera Castle, Italy. Come back here. Let's make it full screen. See how it looks like. Let's play it. So now when I play the clip, so the text appears just like that. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. If you like this sort of, this sort of things, let me just take it a bit like that, just a bit up there. I think here is nice, just like that. So you see now the text just appears on the screen. Or you can do that, totally up to you. Just fade it in, nice, and you can actually fade it out just like that. Boom. Actually, it's good. I like that. You can, I mean, it's a way of doing it, but you know, when you have something animated, it actually, it's really cool. So this is what we're going to do today. We're going to animate this text. So for this, you have to understand one thing. You have to understand the transform setting. So in the right hand corner of your screen, just over there, you will see all this features. So click on your text, right? So you clicked on your text, and then when you go here, you're gonna see layout, right? We've been here, and as I said, you can change the layout how you want. You can change the text here, all the size, right? So what we need to do, we need to go to layout where we've been before. And we need to keyframe it, right? So we'll have to keyframe the text. I was struggling at the beginning with the keyframing because my mind couldn't really understand the keyframing. I couldn't really understand how it really works, but it's actually pretty simple if you look a little bit into it. So for this, you have to make sure that your cursor or the timeline is where you want the text to begin. So let's say I want the text to begin here, all right? So if I want the text to begin here, I need to show DaVinci Resolve to keyframing from here. But if I want to keyframe from here, the text is on the screen, you see? So what we need to do, we need to make sure that we choose keyframe, right? So we choose keyframe, and now we need to hide away the text, right? So the text is hidden away. So here I want the text to appear. So from here I keyframe it. So when the cursor is going to be here, then look, I want it to come to the screen until there, let's say, okay? So put the timeline over here and then just move this numbers and the text is going to appear on the screen. Can you see that? Just like that. And this is it. And the DaVinci Resolve is going to make all the magic for us. Just have a look, right? Let's have a look. Boom. How cool is that? And this is it. And this, you see, it appears on the screen. And now if I want to make the text a bit longer, it will still stop where I chose it to stop, at that keyframe. Slowly goes there, and then it will stay on the screen until the clip is finishing. So Basically now, what you can do now, you can actually keyframe it to go back. So for this, what we're gonna do, we put the cursor here, let's say, and then we will keyframe it one more time. So I want it to go out at this point. So it was here, let me make the text a bit longer. So it was here, now I want to keyframe it, and I want it to, until it goes there, when the clip is finishing, just before the clip is finishing actually. Let's come back a little bit. I want it to go back where it was before. And look at this now. Let's make it like that. And look what's happening now. It's coming on the screen, it stays for a few seconds, and it should go back now. Boom, it goes back. And the clips, you see, I mean, it's pretty simple, it's pretty obvious, but you need to play a little bit with it. So one more thing to recap. So very important where you put the timeline, the cursor, where you put it. So you have to put it here, you're gonna start, then you have to keyframe it there, and then move the cursor, the timeline, where you want it to end up. And then the DaVinci Resolve is gonna do all the magic for you. And this is it, friends. This is how you keyframe or animate a text in DaVinci Resolve. It's a simple way to make your videos stand out. It's a simple way to make your videos look a little bit more professional. I mean, it's a no-brainer. You can use this all the time, and you can actually copy and paste the settings on any text you would like. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you got some value out of it. And if you did, please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and hopefully I will see you in the next one with cool videos and tutorials like this. And if you have a question, leave it down below. I'll be very happy to answer it and, you know, make more tutorials like this. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.